show you the bill of lading. How much is it?
$240 million. Is it million? Billion?
Billion.
Billion? 240 billion? Mrs. Marcos, if we go by all of these, you are rich beyond compare.
No, this will save the world.
The world?
The world. This is the reason why I want to survive. And it's not for me anymore.
Now, Mrs. Marcos, are you saying you're open to giving an amount of this one to the country, to the Filipinos?
Not only the Philippines, but the world. Not only the Philippines, but the world.
Beautiful people of the Philippines, your country is being robbed by corrupt politicians. They steal your money, betray your trust, and sell out your future. But you have the power to stop them. Rise up, demand justice, and take back your nation. The world is watching. Be brave, be bold, and fight for the Philippines you deserve. God bless you, and God
Sa mga matitinding hamon na binabato at hinaharang ng ating mundo ngayon, nasa likod ninyo ang pamahalaan. At huwag tayong matapos. Huwag tayong titiklop. Huwag tayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Dahil ang Pilipino ay likas na matapang, magaling, masipag, matibay, at mabuti. Mga kababayan, tayo ito. Tayo ang bagong Pilipino.
Inspirasyon sa amin yan, lalong-lalo na doon sa mga taga-bundok at mga taga-bukid dito sa Zamboanga del Norte. Kasi hindi lahat ay binibigyan ng pagkakataon, lalo na kung gaano kalayo. May mga guro dito na 5 oras ang biyahe, may mga estudyante din. With the Starlink, nagkakaroon sila ng connectivity. Kumbaga nakikita nila, na-expose nila na there's a bigger world. Those who have less in life should have more in education.
Kailangan talaga natin hanapan ng solusyon nito at hindi na maaari na basta't pababayaan natin na every year na lang ganitong nangyayari sa ating mga kababayan na binabaha sila. Meron na tayong paraan, pagpatuloy natin itong ating project na itinawag natin na Bayanihan Estero.